we're cutting live across to Rajnikanth, who's speaking. Listen in.
Going
to get our reporters in just about a bit to encapsulate what is it exactly that Rajni has said at the moment. But there's a speculation which is rife as to when he's going to be making that particular political foray. Conclusive decision expected by January is what we're picking up from sources. What he has exactly said as of right now is something that that our reporters will be able to encapsulate. I'm requesting the producers to get Akshaya so that she can just encapsulate this particular address of Rajnikanth at the moment. What we know so far is that there was a meeting that was conducted today. He was met with several district secretaries as well. This was just a ground assessment meeting for now, and the conclusive decision, according to sources, is going to come out by January next year. Remember, the 2020 Assembly polls in Tamil Nadu is the what Rajni would be campaigning for in case he makes that particular political foray and announces his plunge by Jan coming here. There is going to be a decision that is going to be soon, but for the moment there is a lot of suspense over it, and sources within his party, Rajni Makkal Mandaram, have said that he's going to be starting his political party ahead of the 2021 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, but no formal announcement is yet as to when he's going to be doing it. January looks most likely, because that is what was discussed today, that there will be a conclusive decision that is going to be coming in January. Remember, Rajnikanth, while he is a big superstar, he enjoys a humongous fan base. Questions still arising on his health concerns, which he has admitted to at the moment, which is why there's this particular delay which is happening over his political plunge as well. Doctors have advised Rajnikanth against taking this political plunge over health concerns, but he's going to be making a conclusive decision by January. He enjoys a good support from the Bharatiya Janata Party with Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. It's all a wait and watch for now. Akshaya is joining us for the very latest. Akshaya, Rajnikanth just addressed the media at the moment. If you could just tell us what exactly he said.
Oh, well, Chaitri, Rajnikanth just stepped out of his residence and he spoke to the media, wherein he has said that, he spoke to the district secretaries. The district secretaries shared their views, and Rajni in turn shared his views about his thoughts. And then he's also gone on to say that the district secretaries have said very definitively that whatever decision Rajnikanth makes, they will be supporting him. And in turn, to respect their support, Rajni said he will make his decision as soon as possible, and he will let the people of Tamil Nadu as well as his RMM members know what his decision will be. So Chaiti, this has been almost 3-year-long journey, a wait of the people from 2017 when he announced that he is interested to join politics. He will be making an announcement, and till then asked his warriors, his party members, to be ready. The exact words were these, Chaiti, during 2017 meeting. He said, you are my warriors, all of you should be ready, and when the time is right, I will call you all in. So now once again, Rajnikanth, just 5 months ahead of the state assembly elections, which he had then announced that he would contest in, is soon approaching, and Rajni says that very soon he will decide and he will let the people know. As far as the RMM members and district secretaries are concerned, it seems like all of them are standing in support of the leader. And talking to the people at the venue, we kind of understood that whether it's a yes or a no, the people, the supporters seem to be continuing with the believe that the superstar will not let them down. He has given his word. He will not go back on it, is what most of them were saying. So we need to wait and watch as to what the superstar is deciding, what he's thinking. But then it's a long journey, Chaiti. It's a long wait, and it's kind of becoming a scene where, crying foul is also being alleged by many political, spectators. They are saying that this delay will only cost Rajni dearly if he's making a political entry because of his indecisiveness. Chaiti.
All right, Akshaya, hold on and stay with us right there. Let's now listen into what Rajnikanth said just a moment ago.
அவங்களுடைய கருத்து எல்லாம் நம்ம கிட்ட வந்து சொன்னாங்க. நானும் என்னுடைய பார்வை அவர்கிட்ட வந்து படுத்துக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் எந்த முடிவெடுத்தாலும் நாங்கள் உங்கள் கூட இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க வந்து எனக்கு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நான் வந்து என்னுடைய முடிவை வந்து எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் தெரிவிக்கிறேன்.
All right, Akshaya still continues to be with us for the very latest on this story, Akshaya. So at the moment, again, we go back to square one. The wait is there. The wait exists. I don't know if I can say it's going to be longer or not. I don't know whether we can say that there's going to be a big decision very soon or not, given the fact that by Jan is when a conclusive decision really will come in. I'm coming back to you, Akshaya, but let's listen into Rajnikant once again.
அவங்களுடைய கருத்து எல்லாம் நம்மக்கிட்ட வந்து சொன்னாங்க. நானும் என்னுடைய பார்வை அவர்கிட்ட வந்து படுத்துக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ நீங்கள் எந்த முடிவெடுத்தாலும் நாங்கள் உங்கள் கூட இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க வந்து எனக்கு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நான் வந்து என்னுடைய முடிவை வந்து எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் தெரிவிக்கிறேன்.
Akshaya still continues to be with us right there. Actually, I'm going to throw straight across to you, encapsulate everything that has been said by Rajnikant. So, I just want to encapsulate. One, conclusive decision only by January. For now, there's no major decision. It's a wait and watch again. And the suspense continues, Akshaya. Can we safely say that?
Well, Chetri, most of the RMM members who had met Rajnikant today, they came out and they said that there is a good decision likely by today evening or tomorrow morning. And now we've already heard from the superstar himself, the man himself, that, whatever decision he makes, he will let the people know at the soonest. And all the supporters of Rajnikant, the RMM members, have very confidently said that they will be in support of Rajni, whatever it is. So, we can expect some kind of a news in the next 24 to 48 hours. And apart from that,
one is that there is some news expected in the next 24 hours. Secondly, we've also broken the story that the conclusive decision is going to be taken in January. Which one is it, and what can be expected tonight in case there is an announcement tonight or tomorrow?
Well, Chetri, we're getting to understand that there will be a proper hint about whatever his decision is by the next 24 to 48 hours, and the RMM members are hopeful that it will be a positive sign. So, which means that he might make that big plunge is what they're expecting. And if he's doing that, well, in January he will be launching his party as per a good astronomical day is what we're given to understand. The month of December, we need to remember that is a month where Rajni's birthday is celebrated. December 12th, that is 12 days from now is Rajni's birthday, and that is also a major celebration for RMM members. And apart from that, if you remember, in 2017 on January 1st was when he had made his announcement. So similarly, if he's launching a party, the announcement of the party, the details of it, maybe the flag and other details will be given in January is what the members are saying. But in the next 24 to 48 hours, there will be a little more clarity on the superstar's political journey is what we are given to understand now, Chetri.